Nice. Puro tayo 3.8.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go.
Ito na.
Daryl. JM, sir.
3.8 Pajero. Alright. Kita nyo ngayon. Different kinds of Pajero. So, mula Series 1 hanggang Series 4 yung latest. So, simulan natin. Ito yung first series ng 3.8 Pajero. Nilabas siya between 2007 hanggang 2011. So, ang main difference niya is yung grill. So, ito yung lower spec na 3.8 ng Series 1. So, wala siyang sunroof. Tapos yung grill niya, ganito itsura. Ayan. So, ito yung mga distinct sa Series 1. Meron siyang rubber pad sa bumper. Sa Series 1 lang, distinct yan, ganyan. Pero, ang engine niya is the same 3.8 liter, 6G75, VVEC, and 5-speed transmission. So, tingnan natin ngayon yung Series 1 na top of the line. Alright, this one is yung Series 1, again. Distinct siya dahil dun sa rubber pad. 3.8 liter, 5-speed. But ito yung full options ng Series 1 Pajero 3.8. So, ang distinct sa kanya between yung low spec and high spec is yung grill. So, iba yung grill niya. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang sunroof. So, next, tingnan natin ngayon yung Series 3 ng Gen 4 Pajero, which is ito. So, another 3.8 liter. So, ang most distinct feature is yung front end. So, iba na yung bumper niya, iba na yung headlight, at iba na yung grill. Ayan.